So today we are building an amazing different project here. Like previously we have built many of the projects using Next.js and many of the projects using React and React.js, and I hope you all enjoy all the projects which we have done yet. So this is the different project which we are building, and I hope you'll be enjoying this video because this video will be containing many of the things. So remember to see this video because this video will be really helpful for you. And today we are building an amazing TikTok 3.0 clone, and we will be using Next.js 13 to build this amazing TikTok 3.0. So now I will be giving you the demo of this TikTok and showing you what are the things included in this amazing TikTok clone which we are building from start to end using Next.js 13. So now I will be giving you the demo of this. So first of all, you can see here at the title thing, we are just getting the title of TikTok 3.0. Here you can give any other title also you want to give, and at the left you can put the TikTok logo, means favy icon logo here if you want to put, so you can make it more good looking. And then if I just move down, we are getting a beautiful navbar like we are getting in original TikTok. It is the TikTok which I have made for PC and laptop. In mobile you will be getting different interface, but in PC and laptop you will be getting same interface like I have just built. You can see we are getting the interface of like navbar thing, and down we are getting a HR line, and at the top also same HR line we are getting. Then we are just getting the TikTok logo here which I have put. I have just taken this image from the Google, or you can take from any other website because TikTok logo is available everywhere. Then at the right, you can see we are getting an amazing background color of whitish color which is looking awesome. You can just put any of the background color, it's your choice, but I have put the white because white color is good enough. So here now we are just getting this in the center. We are getting an amazing search box. In the search box we are getting the placeholder of like search account. So here you can search any of the account of any other user if you want to search. Like if you want to search your friend on the TikTok, so you can just search by using this search box here, because in this search box you have to search the accounts of other users here. Then at the right we are also getting the search logo with the straight line which is looking awesome, and I hope you are just I will be telling you how to build this straight line and how to just build this amazing navbar. Then at the right if I move, we are getting an amazing upload button. In upload button I have not put any of the hover effect or any of the background color. I've just made it simple because in upload you don't have to do anything else. So because of that we have to just upload any of, if we want to upload any of the TikTok or amazing pictures, so you can use this upload button to upload that things. But upload is not really of, you can say, not really important button here. It's your choice you made or not, but I have made it so user can upload their TikToks or anything like that. Then at the right we move, so we are getting an amazing login button at the back, you can see, which is looking awesome. We have put a background color on this login button, but I have not put any of the hover effect on every button which we have built, because I don't think that we have to style so much. I was making it simple so you can understand, and just you can understand how to build this amazing TikTok using Next.js 13, and it should be simple for the beginner. So because of that I have not put so much hover effect on every button. Then we are getting this three dots icon in which you will be getting many of the things. Like here you will be getting the language change icon, like if you want to change any of the language directly from here, so you can change it. You can just see we are getting many of the options here. Like you will be getting three options. One will be of changing language, if you want to change the language, and if you want to do any other language, so you can do that. Then you will be getting the feedback emoji here, and if you want to give feedback of your of this TikTok, so you can just give the feedback here by using this feedback option. And if you want to see the keyboard shortcuts of this TikTok, so you can also do, because some people do that if their mouse don't work, or if their mouse are not working, if it is like you can say it is not working, so they can use this feedback. They can use this keyboard shortcut option to just see, to just make their TikToks and to upload their TikToks, and they can just use keyboard. You can see that. So here at the left we are getting all this stuff at the sidebar, like we are getting for you option, and you can also see the following here of the user by pressing this following. Then you can also go live on TikTok if you want to go, and if you want to show your friends, or you can also go live with the groups, like if you have made the groups with your friends, so you can just go live with them, or with your family member, brother, sister, anyone you can go with live. Then we are just getting down, and here in down we are just getting this login into follow creators, means if you are not having account on TikTok, if you have moved first time, you can just sign up here and then directly you can log in. But if you have not logged in, you have account, so you can directly press this login button to log in. Here we are getting the hover effect of lightish black color. I have not put so much dark color, I have only put so light color, so you can see this login button. I have just make the opacity low of the blackish color. Then down we are getting the suggested account like we are getting in any other social media account like Facebook, Instagram, like this. So here in TikTok also you will be getting the suggested accounts here. So here I've written my name in all the suggested accounts, but here you can write your name also if you want to write here. Then if I press see all, you will be getting see all again, and you will be getting more other users also. Then move down, here you will be getting discover icon, and in discover you will be getting the tags related to this all TikToks which you will be seeing at your home page here. Then if I move at the front, we are just getting the low profile image of the user here, which you will be getting the profile pic of the user who has uploaded this TikTok. Then you will be getting the name of this, you can say the name of the user and the surname of the user you will be getting. Then you will be getting the paragraph which is written by the user about this TikTok. You can read it and you can follow this user if you like his TikTok, or if they are your friends or anything like that. Down we are getting a TikTok of the user here, you can see, and we are getting the emojis also. Like if you want to like this TikTok, you can press this heart, and if you want to message, or you can say comment on this TikTok, so you can use this message icon here. And if you want to share this TikTok, so you can use this share icon to share with your friends or family members if you want to do that. So here down we are again getting with the different profile pic, we are getting a name here. I've written my name in every TikTok, so you can see the change which I have done here. You can also do this change here. You can write your name also here on this TikTok if you want to write. Then here we are getting this text here which is written I was long night and these were the things I have written. Then you will be getting the follow button here also, like at the top we are getting, you can follow this user if you like his TikTok or if you like what he has uploaded. You can also see the paragraph written by the user. Then I will be moving down. Here you will be again getting the profile pic of the user here, and then you will be getting the name of the user, and with surname you will be getting it. Then you will be getting these hashtags about the TikToks of the user. Then down we are just getting a portrait image in which you will be getting a TikTok here of the user. I have not put TikToks here, I have just only put the images, so you can just see what change I have done, and I just do this change. You can also do your own change if you want to do that. And we are just getting this heart icon here also with this message icon, and this share icon means if you want to like this TikTok, do that. If you want to share this TikTok, you can share it with your friends or family members, and you can also comment on this TikTok like I'm telling you how to comment that. Then here you're getting the discover icon here, means in discover you can see the things like if you want to discover about, so you can just discover these things. Like you will be getting these all tags, animals, like I'm telling you in the starting. And this is amazing TikTok which we are building. So here I hope you will be understanding this TikTok which we are building. So remember to see this from start to end if you want to learn how to build this amazing TikTok 3.0 clone using Next.js 13. This video will be not too much big, but it will be helpful for you. So don't miss this and see all the things which I'm telling you in this video. You can also check my previous videos of clones which I've done, because previously I've built many of the clones using Next.js and many other languages. I've built Twitter clone, I've also built Netflix clone, Spotify clone, Facebook clone, and many other clones. So you can check that out if you want to learn how to build that clones, because in that video also I'm giving you the things, and I'm also telling you how to build a Discord Web 3.0 app. Previously we have built in the yesterday's video, and we have also built Discord decentralized chat app using React.js, and I hope you enjoy that video also, because that will also give you help. And I'm also doing small projects here using JavaScript. You can also check that out, because I'm uploading 2 videos in a day. One is of this big projects which we are building close like that. Then first was our small videos which we are doing of 10 to 12 minutes, and in that video I'm using JavaScript to build amazing projects. Like we have built many of the games, and many of the, you can say we have used many of the tags using JavaScript. You can check that video if you want to learn JavaScript. And if you want to see more videos like that, so you can just comment me, you can suggest me what things I should make using this language or this language. I'll be building that, and I hope you'll be enjoying all that things, because that will giving you help moving forward, and I hope you'll be enjoying all that things. And you can also like tell me, and you can also suggest me what things I should make. You can also ask any of the question if you are having any question queries about these all videos which I am doing, or these all like I am doing the projects here. And if you are having any of the question or queries on this amazing projects here, so you can ask me in the comment section, or you can ask me personally. I will be giving you answer of all your queries which you will be asking, because when you are asking the questions from me, it gives motivation, and it gives motivation to you also, like you are doing the efforts and then you are asking the question from the others. So it will be having confidence, and it will be developing confidence in you, and you will be also then solving your problem by self. First of all, solve problem by self, and if it is not solved, then you can tell me here, because I'm just provided you all the links in the description. I provided you Facebook, then you can talk me where I'm also having the Gmail address which I have uploaded in the about section. You can also check that out. You can also Gmail me what problem you are and queries you are having. I'll be solving all the problems and query which you will be having about this. So remember to do that things, and this video will be really helpful, so remember to see this. And if you are having any of the question about this project also, or any of the, like, you are not understanding any of the things, so you can ask me personally, like I've telling you, from my Gmail, Facebook and Twitter, like these things, because that will giving you help moving forward. And this was our amazing TikTok 3.0 demo which I have given. So just now we'll be starting with our video, and now we'll be seeing how to build this amazing TikTok. Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your design developer. Like previously we have done many of the things, and I hope you all enjoying that all things which we have done. Like we have used Next.js 13, Next.js, React, React.js and many other languages to build our projects. And I hope you are enjoying all that video. So today video is also different from the other videos which we have done yet. And I'll be telling you how to build an amazing project. But today we are building an amazing TikTok clone. We will previously on we were using React.js and only Next.js to build our project. So now I will be using Next.js 13 and 3.0 to build this amazing TikTok clone here, and I will be telling you how to build this TikTok clone from start to end using Next.js 13. If you don't know about Next.js or Next.js 13, you can check my tutorial, because I have uploaded both tutorials. One of Next.js, you can learn things from, like if you want to learn what is Next.js, how to use that, what are the codes in that, so you can just see the tutorial of Next.js. And if you want to learn about Next.js 13, so you can just see the tutorial of Next.js 13 if you want to see. That will also giving you help moving forward. So remember to see this video if you want to learn how to use Next.js 13 in our project. And if you want to see more videos like that, so hit a like to this video. If you are new on this channel, so hit subscribe button, and after subscribing hit notification bell, from which you'll be notified with all the future videos. And also share this video so more people can learn, and they can also take benefit of these amazing things and tutorials like I am giving you, and they are learning. And also just check my previous videos which I have done yet, like I am just covering JavaScript tutorial series also by uploading these videos, so you can check that tutorial series also, because that will also giving you help. We have built many of the small projects using JavaScript which are helpful for beginners, so remember to check that out if you want to learn what is JavaScript and how to build projects with that. I'm using different tags and different projects to build an amazing JavaScript project. You can check that out. And after this I am uploading this videos also, means big videos of clones and apps which we are building using Next.js and many languages. So today we are also building an amazing TikTok 3.0 clone using Next.js 13. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to build this amazing TikTok 3.0 clone using Next.js 13. Just like I've told you, we'll be building an amazing TikTok clone, and we will be using Next.js 13 to build this amazing TikTok clone. So now we'll be starting to build our TikTok clone, and I'll be showing you how to build it using Next.js 13 and what are the things included in this. So for building this amazing TikTok clone, here I will be opening my default Google Chrome browser, but before that I will be opening my VS Code. You can see I've opened this. Now here I will be moving to my file, and then I will be opening the folder directly, and then this is the desktop here, and we are getting the folder of TikTok clone. So here I've opened this folder. Now we are containing these all things in this. So here I will be only copying the starting here, means the starting code. Then here you can see we are getting all this stuff. So here I will be now erasing these all things. Then when you've written this thing, just here I will be erasing this thing also, move in this file. Then here I will be saving. Now when you're getting all this stuff, press Ctrl B to close the side panel. Now here I will be opening it in my default Google Chrome browser which is created on my desktop, and this is my Google Chrome browser. Only we are getting the title of TikTok. Here you can give the title of only TikTok clone here. So here I will be moving, and you can just give the title of TikTok clone, or you can say TikTok 3.0 like this. Then here you have to now save this. You can see we are getting all this stuff. Now here I will be moving at the front page, and then you have to just now make it the interface here. So for building this, here I'll be closing the body tag same as this one. Then here you have to now move down after this tag, write a nav tag here. So here I'll be writing nav tag, then write here div class, write here nav content like this. Here you have to move down, write here h1 class logo. Then I will be writing here I tag. Here you have to write class FAB TikTok I will be writing. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing TikTok like this. Then you have to write here form. Then I will be removing this form from here. right here input, then I'll be writing type should be search. Here I'll be now writing name search, so here I will be writing, then I will be writing id search, then right here field, here I'll be writing placeholder is equals to right here search accounts. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing I tag, then right here class FAS FA search, then I will be writing diff class, then here I will be writing nef btns, then here I will be writing button, and in button I will be writing class which should be upload, then here I will be writing btn, right here upload like this, then I will be moving down right here button, and then right here class, in class I will be writing login btn like this, then here I will be writing login like this. Then when you've written this thing, just here I will be moving down after this tag, right here div class, then I'll be writing dots, then here I will be writing btn. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing a tag which will be like I tag, right here class FAS FA dash ellipsis, then here I'll be writing dash v. Now I will be moving right here div class, then I'll be writing here dots, right here info, then I will be writing a tag, here I will be writing I tag class, and I will be writing FAS FA font. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down, then here you can write any language like this, then I will be writing I tag, and here I will be writing FAS FA dash clone like this, then I will be moving right here feedback, then I will be writing here a tag, right I tag again, then I will be writing FAS FA dash right here keyboard. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just doing one thing, FAS FA keyboard, then I will be moving down right here keyboard shortcuts, then here I will be now doing one thing, like here I will be now just moving down after the nef tag here which we have done, right here div class sidebar, then I will be writing here div class menu, then I will be writing a tag, right here class which will be menu link. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down after this, right here I tag class FAS FA dash right here home, then you have to move right here for you like this, right here a tag, right class menu link. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing I tag, then I'll be writing class FAS FA dash user, then here I'll be writing friends like this, then here I will be writing following like this thing. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing class, then right here menu link, then when you've written this, here I'll be writing I tag class FAS FA dash, then here I'll be writing video. Now when you've written this, here I will be now writing live like this, then right here div class, here I'll be writing login area here, then when you've written this, here I'll be writing login to follow, then here I'll be writing creators, then here I'll be writing live videos and view comments. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing button, right here class which will be main login like this, then I will be writing here login here. Now when you've written this, I will be saving this, reload. Now you can see we are getting all this stuff here. When you're getting this, here I will be just moving down right here div class suggested here, then I will be writing h3 right here suggested accounts like this, then I will be moving right here a tag, then I will be writing class which should be here I will be now erasing this, right here div class, then here I will be writing suggested, then here I will be writing container, then here I will be writing a tag, right class suggestion, then I will be moving here I will be now just writing a tag which will be like div class right here suggested, then here I will be writing pic, and then right here style is equals to background image, then I will be writing here URL, then here I will be writing photos slash photo4 dot jpeg, then here I will be now closing this, write this tag, and then here I will be closing this. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing div class suggested, then here I will be writing info, then you have to just write here h3 like this, right here user1 here, or here you can write your name also. So I'm writing here like this, then right here small, then again I'll be writing here like this. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing a tag class, right here suggestion, then here I will be writing div class, right here suggested, then I'll be writing pic, right here style, then I'll be writing here background image, right here URL photos slash, right here photo 5 now. So here I will be writing, then you have to close this, then I will be moving down, and then here after moving down you have to write div class suggested, then I'll be writing info like this, then here I will be writing h3, and then right here like this. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing here like this, then when you've written this, here I will be writing class suggestion, then I will be writing div class suggested here like this, then here I'll be writing pic style is equals to background, and then here I will be writing image URL photos, then I'll be writing slash, right here photo 6 like this. Then here I will be now moving down after this tag, right here div class suggested, then here I will be now writing info, then here I will be writing h3, right here a tag which will be like this, then here I will be moving right here like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing class, then I'll be writing suggestion, here I will be writing div class suggested, then I will be writing here pic here. Now when you've written this, I will be moving right here style is equals to background image, and here you have to write URL photos slash, then here I will be writing photo 7, then here I will be closing this, and when you've written this, here I will be moving, and here I will be just writing a tag which will be like div class suggested, then here you have to write pic, then I will be writing here suggested info, then right here h3, and then here I will be again writing my name, then here you have to write small tag, and then here I am writing full name here. Now when you've written this thing, just here I will be writing class, then I will be just now writing this thing here. So you can see we have just written it many times, so we have written it 3 times now. This was the 4th one, and I will be moving down again, right here suggestion again, then here I will be writing div class suggested, then here I will be writing pic, right here style is equals to background image, then here I am writing URL photos slash, then here I will be writing photo 8, so simply here I will be writing photo 8, then you have to close this tag here, close this tag also, then I will be moving down, right here div class, then here I will be writing suggested, then here I will be writing suggested info, then when you've written this, I will be writing h3, then again I am writing my name here, and here you have to write small tag, right here again my name. Now save this, reload. Now you can see we are getting all these suggested accounts tag here. So here you have to move down, and after moving down, here I will be writing class, then right here suggestion, write div class suggested, then here I'll be writing pic like this. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing style is equals to background image, then right here URL photo slash photo dash 9.jpg, then close this. Here I will be now just writing this tag, then I will be moving down, right here div class suggested, so here I'll be writing suggested, then right here info, here I'll be moving down, and then I'll be writing here my name again. Here you have to now just write a small tag, and then here I am writing my name again like this. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing class suggestion, then here you have to write div class suggested, then here I'll be writing pic, then right here style is equals to background image, here I'll be writing URL photos slash photo10.jpg, then here I will be closing this by writing this tag, then here you have to move down, after this right here div class suggested, then here I'll be writing info like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing h3, and then again I am writing my name here, right here small, then right here like this. Now when you return this, here I will be writing class suggestion, then I will be writing here div class suggested, then here I will be writing pic, then here I will be writing style is equals to background, then here I will be writing image, then when you return this, here I will be writing photo slash, then right here photo dash 11, then here I will be writing JPEG. Now when you return this, here I will be now just moving down after this, right here div class suggested info, then I will be writing here h3, then here still I am writing my name, then right here small tag, and here I am writing like this. Now when you written these all things here, you have to just do one thing. I will be now moving in this tag, then erasing these two. Now when you written this, here you have to move down after this, right here button, so simply here I will be writing right here class, and I will be writing suggested btn, then I will be writing here see all like this. Then you have to write here div class discover, then I will be just writing here h3, then here I will be writing discover again, then move down right here div class, then I will be writing here discover, then I will be writing here discover container, right here a tag, right here class, then I will be writing recommendation, then here I will be writing I tag class fas, then right here fa hashtag, then when you written this, I will be writing here animal lover like this, right here a tag, then right here class recommendation, then I will be moving right here I tag class FASFA hashtag, then here I will be writing put me first, then here I will be writing a tag, then right here class recommendation, then right here I tag class. Now when you've written these all things, here I will be writing FA hashtag like this, then here I will be writing gym top, then here you have to write a tag, right here class recommendation here like this, then I will be writing I tag control Z, right here I tag class FASFA dash hashtag, then I will be just moving down right here stay dash, right here the kid Leroy, then here when you written this, here I'll be writing a tag class recommendation, then here I'll be writing I tag class, then I'll be writing FA music, then I will be just now moving down right here sacrifice, then here I will be writing the week end like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing a tag, then when you've written this all thing, here I will be writing hashtag this time, then when you've written these all things, here I will be writing class. In class I will be now just writing a tag which will be like recommendation, then right here I tag class FAS, then I'll be writing FA music, then I will be just moving down right here cold heart dash, here I'll be writing Elton John, then here I'll be writing Dua Lipa like this. Now here I will be saving this, then you have to reload here, so you can see we are getting all this stuff now. So when you are getting these all things, here I will be now just doing one thing, like here I will be now just writing the tag like this one we have written. So when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down after this tag simply. So here after moving down, I will be now just giving space from here, then you have to move down right here div class, then here I will be writing feed like this, then right here div class post, so here I will be writing, then right here div class post top, here I will be writing this now, then I will be moving right here div class right profile pic, so here I will be writing, then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving here right here style, then right here background, and then I will be writing here image. Now here I will be writing URL, and when you've written these all things, just you have to do another thing, like so just like I'm telling you, we have done till here. Now you can see we have just written this background image URL here. Now here I will be writing photos slash, here I will be writing photo1.jpg, then here I will be closing this, and you have to now close this tag also. Then when you've written these all things, here I will be now moving down after this tag. Here I will be saving, then you have to reload here. Now here if I just show you, you can see we have just done these all things. Now when you return this, here I'll be writing div class, then I will be writing here post, then you have to just write here info. Then when you return these all things, here I will be now moving here, and then you have to just move down right here h2. Here I will be writing my name, then right here a small tag, and in a small I will be again writing my name. Then here when you return this, I will be raising this one name from here. Then when you return these all things, here I will be moving down right here p tag, then I will be writing here thank you for your support. Then when you return this thing, just here I will be now writing full stop, then you have to move forward, and here I will be writing this turn, then I will be writing out pretty well like this. Then here I will be writing funny, then here you have to write bake like this, then right here kitchen, and then I will be writing here surprise like this, and then right here hashtag TikTok. Now when you return these all things, here I will be writing button, then I will be writing here class follow btn, then I will be writing here follow like this. Then when you return this, here I will be moving down right here div class, right post body, then here I will be just now moving down after this right here video, then I will be writing here video width is equals to 300, right here height is equals to 500. Then I will be raising this source, and right here autoplay, so here I will be moving down right here source, then here I will be writing src gif flash gif dash 1 dot mp4. Then here I will be writing div class right here actions. Then when you return this, here I will be writing I control Z right here div class, then I will be writing action icon, then here I will be writing I tag class FAS FA heart. Then when you return these all things, here I will be now just writing a tag here. Then when you return this, move down right here class action icons, then here I will be writing I tag class FAS FA dash, right here comment dots like this, right here div class right here actions, and then here I will be writing icons, here I will be writing I tag class FAS FA dash, right here share. Now when you return these all things, here I will be writing div class, then here I will be writing post, then I will be writing div class post stop, then here I will be writing here a tag which should be like, then here I will be moving down right here div class profile, so here I will be writing profile pic. Then when you return this, here I will be writing style is equals to background image, then here I will be writing URL, then here you have to write photo slash photo 2.jpg. Then when you return this, here I will be just moving down after this tag, right here div class, then right here post info, then here I will be writing h2, here I will be writing my name, then here I will be writing full name here of mine. Then when you return this thing, just here I will be moving, then I will be moving down right here p tag, I will be writing I was long night dance, then here I will be writing hashtags like this. Then when you return this thing, just here I will be writing button, and in button I will be writing class, in class I will be just writing follow btn like this, so here I will be now just writing this. Then when you return these all things, here I will be writing follow, then here I will be writing div class right here post body here. Then when you return this, here I will be writing video, then I will be writing here width is equals to 300, height 500, autoplay, so here I will be writing autoplay like this. Then you have to remove this source from here, then I will be now writing here source again, then in src you have to write gifs, so here I'll be writing slash gif2.mp4, then here I'll be writing div class actions, then I will be writing here div class. Now when you've written these all things, here I will be writing div class action, then here I will be writing icons, here you have to write I tag right here class, FAS FA, then here I'll be writing heart like this. Then when you return this, here I'll be writing div class action, then here I'll be writing icons, right here I tag class FAS FA dash comment dots, then here I'll be writing div class action icons like this. Then when you return this, here I'll be writing I tag class FAS FA dash share, then here I'll be now moving down, and here I'll be writing div class post, then I will be just writing div, so here I'll be writing div class post top, then I will be writing here div class, then I'll be writing here profile, right here pic, then when you return this, here I'll be writing a style here, then I'll be writing background image, then I'll be writing URL, and in URL I will be writing photo/photo, then I will be writing 3.jpg. Then when you return this, here I will be closing this, then here I'll be writing div class, right here post info, so here I'll be writing, then right here h2, and here I'll be writing like this, right here small tag, then here I will be writing again like this. So when you return this, now when you've just done with this, I will be moving forward, then right here p tag, right here funny, then right here bake, and right hashtag kitchen, then I will be moving right here surprise, then I will be writing TikTok. Then when you return this, here I'll be writing button class, right here follow btn. So when you return this, here I will be writing follow, then I will be writing, just move down, right here div class post body. So here when you return this, I will be moving down, then I will be writing video width, so here I will be writing like this, then here I will be writing 300, right here height 500 like this, then I will be raising this source here, right here autoplay, so here I will be writing, then I will be just now moving down. After moving down, here I will be writing source gif/gif3.mp4, then I'll be writing div class actions, then here I'll be writing div class, then I will be now just writing here action, then here I will be writing icons, then here I will be writing div, so here I will be writing I tag class FAS FA heart, right here div class action icons like this, then here you have to write I tag class FAS FA comment, then here I will be writing dots, then I will be moving right here div class action, then here I will be writing icons, then right here I tag class FAS FA dash share. Then when you return this, here I will be now just saving this, and then after saving, here I will be now giving space from here, then move under this div, and here I will be writing script tag like this, and when you return this, save this thing, reload. Now if I show you, you can see we are getting all this stuff, we will be style that also here moving forward. Now when you're getting here, I'll be writing const, right here suggested, right content is equals to, right here document dot query selector, then here I will be writing this tag, right dot suggested, then here I will be writing container, then I will be moving right here suggested btn document, and then right here query selector, right here dot, then I'll be writing here like this, and then right here dot, but before this right here colon, then right dot suggested btn, then close this, or you can say don't close this tag, here you have to move down, right here suggested btn dot add email listener, then you have to write here click comma, then I will be making this tag is equals to, move down right here suggested dot, or you can say suggested on dot, then right here class list, here I will be writing dot toggle, then I will be writing here expanded, then I will be now moving down right here if like this, then here I will be writing space right suggested, then here I will be writing on dot, then here I will be writing class list, then I will be writing contains, and here I will be writing expanded. Then when you return these all things, here I will be now moving forward after this expanded close tag. Now I will be making curly bracket, move down after this, and then right here suggested, right here btn dot inner HTML. Then here I'll be writing C less. Then when you return this, here I'll be writing else. Right here suggested btn. Right here dot inner HTML again is equals to, then right here C all. So here now we have done this Next.js JavaScript code here. So here I'll be reloading. You can see we are getting all these things there. Now when you are getting this stuff here, we have to style. So for styling this thing, just here I will be now going in this file. Then when you are in this file here, I will be now just writing this tag here like this. Then I will be zooming in so you can just see the codes. Here I'll be now just moving. Right here margin, which should be 0. Right here padding 0. Then right box sizing, which should be border box here. Then right here root. Then here I will be writing dash red. Then when you return this, here I will be now just writing hashtag EF233C. Then here I will be writing dark. Right here hashtag 283618. Then here I will be moving down. Right here hover light, and then write F8 F9 F8. Then right here hover red, and then here I will be now just moving, and then here I will be writing dash, and here you have to write RGBA, so give a space. Then write RGBA 239 60 35 65. Yeah, you can say 0.1. Then here you have to write like this. Then when you written this, right here body, and here I'll be writing font family sans serif. So here I will be now moving down. Right here nav, and then right here display flex. Then here you have to write justify content center. Then when you return this, here I'll be writing align items center. Then right here width 100%. Then right here border bottom 1 pic solid. Right here triple D. Then when you return these all things, here I will be now writing height 8vh. Then I will be writing here position, which should be fixed. Then I will be writing background color. Here I will be writing white. Then I will be writing top 0. Right here left 0. Then write z index like this. Then in z index I will be writing 99. Right here dot nav content. Then here I will be writing width 100%. Then I will be writing max width, so here you have to write 1200 pixel. Then right here display flex, and right here justify content, which should be space between. Then I will be writing align items, and then right here center. Here you have to now just write center. Right here padding 0 1 rem. Right here dot logo, right text shadow. Then here I will be writing 1 pixel var. Then I will be writing red. Then here you have to write -1 pixel minus, or you can say 1 pixel. Here I'll be writing 00 bb f9. Then here I'll be writing font size, which should be 2 rem. Then I will be writing form. Right here background color. Then here I will be writing triple E. Here I will be writing width 400. Right here height 50 pixel. Then write display flex. Then I will be writing here justify content, which should be center. Then here when you've written this, I will be now just writing here I like this, remove this. Then when you've written these all things, here I will be now just moving down after this tag. Then right here align items, which should be like center. Then I'll be writing border radius, right here 30 pixel. Right here form input, right width, which should be 80%. Then right here height, which should be 70%. Right here background color, which should be transparent. Then I'll be writing here border none. So here I will be now just writing here border none. Right here border right. Then right here solid 1 pixel. Right here triple A. Then right here font size 18 pixel. Right here outline none. Then right here form input. Here I will be writing placeholder. Right here color triple A. Then I will be writing form dot fa search. Right here color. Then I will be writing here triple A. Then right here margin left which should be 20 pixel, right here font size 20 pixel. Then right here nav btns, right here position relative, then right here height which should be 45, so here I will be writing. Then right here display flex, here I will be moving. Right here a tag which should be like justify content center, right here align item center. Then here I will be writing dot, so here I will be writing dot nav btns. Then right here button, here I will be writing height 100%. Then I will be writing font size which should be 18 pixel, right here font weight 700, right here border none. Then I will be writing background color transparent like this. So here I will be moving down, right here cursor. Then here I will be moving, right here nav btns dot login btn. Then here I will be now writing background color, and here I will be writing var, and then here you have to write red, right padding 0.35, right here margin 0. Then here I will be writing 20 pixel, right here color white like this, right here border radius, and then write 5 pixel. Save, reload. Now you can see we are getting it styled here. So when you are getting these all stuff, here I will be writing dots btn. Then here I will be writing a tag which will be like padding, and here I will be writing 5 pixel 0. Then right here dots btn I tag here. Then I will be writing here font size 20 pixel. Then when you've written this thing, just here I will be writing cursor pointer. Then right here dots. Then here I will be writing btn hover dots btn, or you can say dot info. Then you have to move down, right here display which should be flex like this. Then here I will be writing dot nav btns. Then right here dots info. Then right here position absolute. So here I will be writing, right here bottom minus 155 pixel, right here right minus 30 pixel, right here display none. Then when you written this, here I will be writing flex direction column, right here justify content center. Then I will be writing here padding 10 pixel. Then when you written this, here I will be writing background color white. Then I will be writing box shadow, here I will be writing 10 pixel 0 10 pixel. Then here I will be writing d comma minus 10 pixel 0 10 pixel, right here triple D. Then I will be writing border radius 10 pixel. Here I will be writing dots info a tag. Then here I will be writing font size 16 pixel, right here margin 8 pixel here. Then I will be writing here 0 by giving space, right here text decoration, and here I will be writing none. Here I will be doing one thing, T should be in the end, X should be first. Then I will be writing here color black. Then I will be writing here font size 16 pixel here. So here I will be writing this. Then I will be writing another tag here. So you can see we have written all this stuff. So here I will be writing dots info. Here I will be writing a tag, I tag, right here margin right 10 pixels. So here I will be writing right here dot sidebar right position fixed. Then right here top 8vh. Then I will be writing here left 20%. So when you've written this, here I will be now moving down, right here width 40%, right here max width which should be 650. So here I will be writing right here height which should be 92vh. Then I will be writing here padding right which should be 10%. So when you've written this thing, just here I will be writing overflow, and in overflow I will be writing dash y scroll. Then I will be writing dot sidebar, right here dash webkit dash scroll bar, right here display none like this. Then I will be writing dot sidebar dot menu. Here I will be writing display flex. Then I will be writing here flex direction column. Then I will be writing here border bottom which should be 1 pixel solid, right here triple D, right here padding 15 pixel. Then I'll be writing 0. Here I will be now just moving and then you have to write here dot sidebar dot menu dot, then here I'll be writing menu list like this, or you can say menu link. Then I'll be writing text decoration, here I'll be writing none, right here color var, then I'll be writing here dark, then I'll be writing font size 20 pixel, right here padding 10 pixel 0, right here font weight, then here I'll be writing 700. And then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down, right here dot sidebar dot menu link, right here first of type, then here I will be writing color var, then here you have to write red, then I will be moving right here dot sidebar dot menu link, right here hover, here I will be writing background color, then I will be writing here f8 f9 f8, then save this. Here you have to reload. Now you can see we are getting it styled. If I show you here, you can see this. Now when you're getting these all stuff, here I will be moving right here dot menu link I tag, right here margin right, which should be 10 pixel, then I will be writing here a tag which should be like dot login area like this, right here border, then I will be writing here bottom 1 pix solid, right here triple D, right here border top which should be solid 1 pixel, then I'll be writing triple D. And when you've written these all things, here I will be writing padding which should be 10 pixel 0, then I will be writing dot login area, right here p tag, then when you've written these all things, here I will be writing color triple D, right here font size, then I will be writing 20 pixel, right here margin bottom which should be 1 rem, then right here line height which should be like this, then here I will be now giving gap 22 pixel like this. So when you've written this, here I will be writing dot login area, right here button, right border solid 1 pixel var, then right here red, here I will be writing outline none, then I will be writing background color white, then I will be writing width 100%, right here font size, then when you've written this, here I will be writing 22 pixel, right here font weight 700, right color var, then I will be writing here red, then I will be writing padding 10 pixel, right here 0, then I will be writing border radius, and here I will be writing 5 pixel, right here cursor, and here I will be writing pointer, then write margin 1 rem, right here 0, then write dot login area, right here button, here I will be writing hover, then right here background color, then I will be now just writing here var, right here hover red, then I will be just moving down, right here dot suggested, and here I will be just now writing padding 10 pixel 0, then I will be writing here border. So simply here I will be writing border bottom, and here I will be writing 1 pix solid triple D, then save this. Here I will be reloading. Now if I just show you, you can see we are getting all these things here now. So when you are getting this, here I will be moving, and after moving down, here you have to now just do one thing. Here when you've written these all things, just I will be now just writing here a tag which should be like dot suggested h3, right here dot discover, then here I will be writing h3, and when you've written this, here I will be just now right here color, and then when you've written this, here I'll be writing a tag, then right here font weight 500, then when you've written this, here I'll be writing suggested container, then I'll be writing here height 440 pixel, then I will be writing here overflow, then here I'll be writing hidden, then I'll be writing dot suggested, right here container dot expanded, then I will be now just moving, here I'll be writing height 650, right here dot suggested, then I will be writing here container dot suggested, then I will be writing here dot suggestion, then when you've written this, here I will be writing display flex, right here margin which should be 25 pixel, and then right here 0, right text decoration which should be none, then when you've written this, here I'll be writing dot suggested, then I will be writing here dot suggestion, and when you've written this, here I will be writing hover, and then right here a tag which will be like background color. Then I'll be writing here var. Then when you've written this, here I'll be now writing hover light. Right here dot suggestion. So here I will be now writing dot suggestion dot suggested. Right here pick. Then I will be now moving down, and then right here height, and in height I will be writing 45 pixel. Right here width 45 pixel. Background size here I will be writing which should be cover. Right here background position, here I will be writing center. Then I will be writing border radius 50%, and here I will be writing margin right 20 pixel. So here I will be writing dot suggestion. Then here I will be writing h3, and then you have to write comma dot suggestion. Then I will be writing small. Right here color var. Right here dark like this. Then I will be moving down. Right here dot suggested button. Then I will be writing border which should be null. Then right here color var. Right here red. Then I will be writing background color which should be transparent. Then right here font size here which should be 16 pixel now. Then here I will be writing cursor pointer. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing outline none. Right here margin 1 rem 0. Then right here dot discover. Here I will be writing padding 1 rem like this. So here I will be writing 0. Right here dot discover. Then right here dot discover. Right here underscore container. Then I will be moving, and here I will be just writing a tag which should be like margin 1 rem 0. Right here display, and in display I will be writing flex. Right here flex wrap, and here I will be now just writing here wrap. Right here dot discover. Then I will be writing container a tag. So here I will be now just writing like this. Then here I will be moving down. Right here text decoration which should be none like this. Then here I will be just moving, and then when you've written this thing, just here I will be writing color which should be AAA. Then I will be writing here border, and in border I will be writing AAA 1 pixel solid like this. Here I will be writing margin 0, 10 pixel 10 pixel 0. Then right here padding, and in padding I will be just writing 5 pixel 15 pixel. Now here I will be saving this, reload. Now you can see we are getting all these things here like this. Now when you are getting this, here you have to just do one thing. Here I will be moving, then I will be just now writing a tag which will be like border radius which should be 50 pixel. Then right here dot discover. Right here container. Then right here a hover. Here I will be moving. Right here background color, and I will be writing var, and here you have to write hover light. Close this, move down. Right here dot feed like this. Right width 60%. Then right here max width, this should be 750 pixel. Right here height, in height I will be writing 92 vh. Then right here padding, this should be 1 rem. Then here I will be writing 0. Then you have to write here position fixed. Then I will be writing overflow y scroll. Then I will be writing here top 8 vh. So here I will be writing. Then I will be writing here left 45%. Then I will be just moving down, and then after moving here I will be just moving down. Right here dot feed. So simply here I will be writing dot feed dash webkit dash scroll bar. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing display none. Then I will be writing dot post. Here I will be writing border bottom solid. Then I will be writing 1 pix triple D. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing triple D. Right here padding 1 rem, right 0. Then I will be writing dot post top. Then I will be writing here display. Then I will be writing here flex. Right here justify content which should be space between. Then I will be writing here align items which should be center. Right here height which should be 70 pixel. Then right here margin bottom 1 rem. So here I will be writing right here dot post top. Right here dot profile. Then I will be writing here pic like this. Right here width 60 pixel. Right here height 60 pixel. then I will be writing here margin 5 pixel. Then you have to just move down right here, border radius 50%. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing background size, which should be cover. Right here background position, which should be center. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing post top. So here I will be writing this. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing post info. Then I will be just moving down after this tag, and then after moving down here I'll be writing width, which should be 80%. Right here display flex. Then here I will be now just writing flex direction, and here I will be writing column like this. Right here justify content. Then I'll be writing here center, and here I'll be writing align items. Right here left. Then here I'll be writing dot post info. Right here h2. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing font size 20 pixel. Right here dot post info. Right here small tag here. Then I'll be writing here font size, which should be 14 pixel. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing font weight 300 like this. Then I will be writing dot post info p tag. Then here I will be writing margin top 5 pixel. Save this. Here I will be reloading. Now you can see we are getting it at the right side here. Then I will be writing dot post top button. Then I will be writing here a tag which should be like border none. Right here width, which should be 1110 pixel. So here I will be now just writing this. Right here height, which should be 30 pixel. Then when you written this, here I will be writing color VAR. Right here red. Then right here background, which should be transparent. So simply here I will be writing that. Then here I will be writing border solid 2 pixel VAR. Then here I will be writing red. Then you have to write here border radius 5 pixel. Then when you've written these all things, here I will be now writing text transform, which should be capitalized. Then here I will be writing font size 18 pixels. So simply here I will be writing. Then I will be writing here cursor pointer. Then I will be writing dot post. Then here I will be writing top button. Then here I will be writing hover. Right here background. So simply here I will be writing background color. Then I will be writing here VAR. Right here hover red. Then I will be writing dot post body. Then here I will be writing display. Then here I will be writing display flex. Right position relative. Right here dot post body. Right here video like this. Then right here border radius, which should be 10 pixel. Right here object fit, which should be fill. Then right here margin left, and then here I will be just now writing margin left here, which should be 65 pixel. Right here dot post body. Then I will be writing actions. Here I will be writing position absolute. Right here bottom 0. Then when you've written this, here I'll be now just writing 50%. Right here dot actions dot action icons like this. Then here I will be moving. Then here I will be now just erasing this S. Then here I will be just now writing font size 30 pixel. Right here background color. Here I will be writing triple E. Then right here margin 10 pixel. Right here padding 10 pixel. Then here I will be writing border radius, which should be 50%. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing cursor pointer. Then right here dot actions. Then I will be writing dot action icon like this. Right here hover. Then right background color, which should be triple D. Save this. Then you have to reload. Now here if I just show you, you can see we are getting all these things here. But one thing is not good, like we are just getting one follow button which is not styled, but we are getting all these things perfectly good. So now here when you've written these all things, here we have to check what the problem is coming here. So I will be moving in this file. Then we have to check the things is perfect or not. So here I will be moving. Then when you are in this, you can see we are getting all this stuff here. Then here I will be moving at the top like this thing. Then you can see we are getting all this nav content, logo, nav btns, upload, login. Then here we are getting ellipsis like this. Now when you're getting this thing, just here we are getting dot info fs phone. Now when you're getting all this stuff here, I will be moving down. Then here I will be just now writing menu link, and then here we are also getting this menu link. Then here after this we are getting this login area tag here. Then down we are just getting suggested, and then we are getting suggested container here like this. Now when you're getting this, here you can see after that we are getting suggestion, then we are getting suggestion pick, suggested info, and like this we are getting in all of them here. So when you are getting these all things, here you can see we are just getting this thing. Now after this we are getting a suggested btn, then we are getting discover container like this, and we are getting all these things here in this tag. Then when you are getting these all things here, we have to now just go to feed post stop. So here I will be just now moving. You can see this is the post stop. Okay, so here we have to write these two columns. Now here if I save, reload, now you can see we are getting this follow button. Now it is looking good. So the problem was coming here, we have not written underscore, we was just writing the dash. In profile pic also same thing we have done, we have to write two underscores here. Then down we have just written these all things here. If I just show you, you can see. Now if I move down, here also we have to now just we have done all these things perfectly. So if I move down here, we have just done. Save this, reload. Now here we are just getting profile pic, and now if I show you, you can see all the things as ready here. And this was our amazing TikTok clone which we have just built, and I hope you understand how we have built this. So if you have understand, enjoy how we have built this amazing TikTok clone, so hit a like to this video, because I'll be uploading more videos like that, and I hope you'll be enjoying all that videos. So this was our TikTok 3.0 which we have built using Next.js 13, and we have used many other languages also to build this. So I hope you understand how we have built, and if you have understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and also share this video so more people can learn about these amazing things like you are learning. And I hope they will be also learning, and they can be also the programmer and good developer moving forward. So I hope you understand this video. If you understand, hit a like, subscribe, and also share this so more people can learn. So I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.